Join me while I make a protein coffee, won't you? I love using my milk frother to spread the caramel syrup along the inside of the cup. It just makes it look like I'm a barista. So in addition to using it to spread the caramel syrup, I also use it, of course, to mix everything together. And then I like to bring up the mixer gradually, slowly, otherwise you'll make a big mess. And I like to use it to froth the protein shake. But this one is pretty good, and that was on the low setting, so I would be afraid to try it on the high setting. But yeah, it's keeper.